Floating in your backyard swimming pool and lounging on the back patio just might be your favorite place to relax. After all, this is Florida. Here are some tips to make your pool area even more livable.
Welcome to our backyard.
See this pool enclosure? It's the hottest trend in backyard living spaces. As you can see, the view is panoramic with no obstructions, like the enclosures of yesteryear.
Well, the latest technology in pool enclosures is the panoramic view screen, which you can span up to 24 foot wide, 12 foot tall without having any uprights or obstruction to your view to a lake or a nature preserve.
These panoramic enclosures can also include an insulated roof. And you know what that means? You can sit outside and watch TV, play pool, or just enjoy the tranquility of a rain shower without getting wet.
Yeah, we enjoy beyond the pool in the backyard. We spend, except a few months in summer, we spend majority of the time outside. Sitting outside, having a lunch, breakfast, or just sitting in the weekend and spending hours just watching the preserve. So the wildlife here in the preserve is phenomenal, especially in the spring timings. We have the different types of birds and all the stuff, and the nature is excellent.
Yeah, so I can provide the pavers, the concrete. As far as moving the sprinklers, I have all the connections of the people that do that, which I know what their prices are, so I put that in my price, and I actually coordinate everything through them, so the homeowner doesn't have to deal with 4 different contractors. They just deal directly with me.
Why is this important? Because you might want to add even more beautifying features like deck designs and custom screen doors.
There's another popular room, which is a structural insulated roof, which provides cover from the weather, rain. It's quiet when it rains, it's not as loud. You can have, outdoor kitchens out there, TVs, couches, chairs, and not get wet and be able to utilize it year-round in the Florida weather. We provide pretty much anything to do with aluminum screen repairs, re-screening whole pool cages, building screen rooms, gutters, soffit, fascia, siding. If there's anything to do with aluminum, we pretty much take care of that.
And here's a tip on how to care for any pool enclosure.
Every now and again, pressure wash it, clean it up a little bit, scrub your screens down, but just don't use a chemical on your screens because it will eat your screen. So make sure you just use soap and water.
I think, people who want uninterrupted views, panoramic is the way to go. We invested in a lot with a great view, and we wanted to make sure that we don't compromise when it comes to the views. So that's the reason we invested in this, and we are happy about it.
For more information about A.R.M Aluminum, visit armaluminumusa.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.